Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kukak Omer, happy birthday. All best, good health, pinaka-importante sa life. And maraming salamat po. All the years, our friendship, mga siguro 5 or 6 years na tayo. And nagpapasalamat po ako na nakilala kita as a good friend. Stay humble and stay mabait as you are. And wish you po na many more birthday to celebrate. And enjoy your day. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Kuya Oms, happy birthday to you. Ang nag-iisang Mang Kanor ng Click Family. Kuya Oms, kamusta yung lagay natin dyan? Sana laging malakas ang ating lagay dyan, Kuya Oms, ha? Again, happy birthday to you. Just enjoy your day kasama ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. And thank you. Salamat sa pabingo. And kasama mo ang Click Family na nag-celebrate sa iyong espesyal na kaarawan ngayon. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Oms. May God bless you. Happy birthday! Boom!
Hi lahat. Ilan taong ka na? Charot. Kuko or to you. Kuko or to you. Kuko or to you. Yay! Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka patalong ng matagal. Matagal para matagal pa din tayo magsasama. Salamat sa always na pag-support sa PAM natin. Salamat kasi kahit na binubuli ka namin, lagi ka pa din na nandyan. And we love you. We love you lahat. Happy birthday. Uwi ka na maaga, mamaya. Charot.
Ayan, for our very, very own co-captain, Omer Talong, happy birthday. I always thank God for your life, for giving you another year, another birthday to celebrate with us dito sa Click Family. Salamat sa iyong pa-event. And of course, salamat sa friendship. Wish you all the happiness in life kasi isa kang mabait na tao. Naway more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, more healthy years to come, and more healthy years to celebrate with the Click Family. And salamat sa ating friendship, ang pinakagwapo at pinakaambungan sa Click Family. We love you, Talong. Click Family loves you. And salamat sa friendship. Naway hindi tayo magbabago sa isa't isa. Love, Talong. God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Omer. One of the most guwapo here in Click Family, lalo na pag walang katabi. Isa sa co-captain namin na mabait, matulungin, nasa sayo ng lahat. Charot. More chicks to come. Hindi pala. More blessings to come, good health, and more years to count. God bless you always, Kuya. Stay what you are. Wag mong kalimutan, patulugin kami. Lalo na pag may bayad, bet namin yon. Thank you, Kuya. Chup mama, love. We love you all. From Click Family, happy birthday.
Good evening, Kukap Omer. Salamat po na binigay ka sa amin sa Click Family. And stay strong sa lahat ng challenges ng buhay mo. And wish you good health. And sana makita mo na yung love life mo. Ay, kami pala yung love life mo. At tandaan mo, nandito lang kami sa likod mo, mga co-captain at si Kapan. Happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Love you, Co-Cap Oming.
Happy birthday bro, Omar. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More birthdays to come. Ingat lagi sa work. Saka good health. Ingatan mo rin. Hindi ko napabain pa. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you. Enjoy.
Ayan, happy birthday pala sa pogi kong Itay, ko Captain Omeng. More birthdays to come, Itay. Wish you good health. Enjoy your day. Sana maging masaya ka. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Hello, Quickie. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy birthday si Sir Omeng. Magpakabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More birthdays to come!